Warm him up, Marv.
Got something warm for you to hold. Who just killed me?
I just got shot at, so that's cool.
Where was that guy that killed me? I wish I
Location?
fucking knew.
I have no idea. I think over here. I think if I go up, I'm dead, actually. Yep, fuck, he's on top. Shit.
Oh yeah, now I see him. Can't.
So I'm gonna send the air door through. Oh, I fucked up.
Tagged him once.
Got him!
Oh,
Behind him.
nice.
Hit him for 85. Hit him for 85.
Do we finish or?
Fuck yeah.
His
Fuck
other
that guy.
teammate's right here.
Where?
Right on my
On
mark.
orange? Okay, coming. Bandaging.
I think he crossed over.
Is he trying to finish?
No, I think he's trying to
Erez, I mean?
go to his teammate. Yeah.
Hold on, I'm coming, I'm almost ready. No, he's over here by me, I hear him.
Hold on.
He's over by this fence somewhere.
Yeah, I just saw him right there.
Two lower tons. Be careful, John, peeking that. I'll fall back. He's
Nice.
jumping up.
Good,
Don't peek that, John.
good stuff, man.
Dude, that nade was clutch.